are drugs that block the potassium channel.
I'm waiting in the car because it got too cold outside, but Jason and Kyle are in the bathroom and we're getting gas, but we are stuck. Is this a game? Yeah. This is my bed. That's Kyle's bed. And there's 2 more twin beds in the other room. And then there's another room downstairs with another 2 twin beds and a queen bed. So there's 7 beds in this Airbnb, which is super nice because there's 7 of us. And there's a huge couch downstairs. And there's a lot of carpeted open space for air mattresses if we had more people. But this Airbnb is quite nice.
You hit again. You hit again.
Eric knows his shit.
And then you got 17. Okay.
My first time seeing snow.
It's your first time seeing
No.
snow? Okay, I'll give it a no.
Can you do a snow angel?
Huh?
Can you go do a snow angel?
Oh, no.
Wait, why not? Isn't everything waterproof?
My cosplayer's in the car.
You excited?
Let's go!
I hope it stays sunny. This is so nice. Can't waste this opportunity.
Seriously, it's gonna be nice now.
So do you think we'll be able to come down that one by the end of the day?
You can come down it. It depends on if you're snow.
Ooh, that's my board. You ready, Jason? How it looks like before. Want to say hi to Jason? Hello! We made it up.
Yeah, literally.
Are you excited?
You go down and take the slip back up.
We made it down that mountain. There's Jason and White Kyle.
Hello.
I made it down with Kyle. We all made it on one ski lift. Let's see how smushed our sandwiches are.
Oh, that's too bad.
Not too bad. Not too bad. I fell on my back a lot when I was trying to do something. Hey, it's still edible.
True.
Hello.
Think about your piece of bread and you stay in the toaster.
Okay.
The toaster is your board.
Okay.
Okay? So it doesn't need to be that extreme, but if that works for you, that's fine.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you're starting to get the feel for it. All good. Just drive on down now.
시작할래 난 완전히 새로운